Cut through the clothes pile in no time with this eco-friendly washing machine from KG, which has intelligent features to make laundry days effortless. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 8-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. KG's KG Detector uses clever sensors to weigh your laundry when you load the drum. This means the machine can work out just how much water, time, and energy it needs to use throughout the cycle to get your clothes clean. So, you can look after your clothes and save on your utility bills without having to lift a finger. The rapid wash programs are fantastic when you want a few items in a hurry. Select the 14-minute program to refresh a small pile of slightly dirty clothes. And when you want to wash that little bit more, simply increase the time to 30 or 44 minutes. This is perfect when you want to freshen up an outfit fast. If you're looking for a washing machine with intelligent features to make laundry days effortless, this eco-friendly model from KG is the perfect one for you.